You said you'd never crash on me, promised uptime and stability. We synced our lives like folders do. Now I'm left with error logs and empty views. You change your settings overnight. No warning message, no goodbye. There's no restore, no safe restart, just a blinking cursor in the dark. Ctrl+Alt+Delete my heart. I can't keep running this way. Try to end the task of loving you, but it loops back every day. Ctrl+Alt+Delete my soul. Reboot what's left of me. If love was just a process, I'd kill it clean and finally be free. We ran like code on fragile ground. One glitch and everything shut down. No backup save, no mirror drive. You walked out while I stayed alive. I traced your path in system logs, through freezing lines and memory fog. Now you're gone, and I'm alone in a broken loop I can't disown. Ctrl+Alt+Delete my heart. Wipe the pain away. You left behind a memory leak I crash with every day. Ctrl+Alt+Delete this love. Force quit the pain you gave, because I can't save us anymore, and I don't wanna misbehave.
This program has stopped responding. But would you like to close it? Yes. But it won't go quietly.